You can create beautiful presentations for online business. Now, I don't mean typical PPTs, which is old school, but you can create something called as mind maps, which you see on my screen right now. Now, mind maps are like a spider web where you have a central idea and it starts branching out into different ideas. And it's a beautiful, beautiful way to express your thoughts in a structured manner. I've been using it from past 3 years and the results are amazing. Now, you can go to this particular tool, which is called as Chatmind.tech. Now, the beauty about this is that you can build mind maps and in fact you get the content as well. For example, you can just simply go here and put out Facebook ads course and click on send, and you'll be amazed with the results you get, because you get the entire content, the way you should go about it, and it's all done for you. It is amazing. My mind is blown, because if you can get the structure right, there's nothing like it. Follow me for more and share this with somebody who might find this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.